This is crap. This is a bunch of crap. That's crap. What's on here? What have we got in here? Huh, crap. Actually, I can use this. This piston we took apart, we got a lot of rust pitting in it. Crap. 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 Well, that's definitely not crap. That's brand spanking new. I hope nothing down in here is crap. There's a cake pan full of crap. Honda recoil. Crap. That's really crap. Yeah. Crap. Whoops. Crap. That's kind of cool. Crap. Crap. What do we got back here? Huh, crap. All this right here. This is crap. These Canadian gooses are crap. And what in the cinnamon toast F is going on here? Oh! Somebody leave me a comment below what you think this axle is. I wonder what's around the corner here. Crap. Yeah, when I got this tank, I thought it'd be a good idea to clean the rust out of it with some muriatic acid. That's crap. Crap. Ooh, magnets. Huh, looks like there was a rabbit running around last night. Wonder what he thought of this. I thought it was crap. 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 But one day in the near future, this is not going to be crap. Oh, it's going to take a lot of time. Alright, I hope you liked this episode of Bigfoot Bikes and Brews. Click on one of the videos here if you want to see some more. And please click on the Bigfoot button to subscribe to the channel and join in on the fun. See you next week.